Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Hausa with C. In today's video, we are going to learn the names of food and fruits in Hausa language. Let's get started. Food, abinci, abinci. Yam, doya, doya. Beans, wake, wake. Okra, kuɓewa, kuɓewa. Potato, dankali, dankali. Cassava, rogo, rogo. Onion, albasa, albasa. Maize, masara, masara. Bread, biredi, biredi. Meat, nama, nama. Wheat, alkama, alkama. Milk, madara, madara. Millet, gero, gero. Sorghum, dawa, dawa. Oil, mai, mai. Salt, gishiri, gishiri. Egg, ƙwai, ƙwai. Soup, miya, miya. Flour, fulawa, fulawa. Fish, kifi, kifi. Cabbage, kabeji, kabeji. Rice, shinkafa, shinkafa. Beans cake, ƙosai, ƙosai. Carrot, karas, karas. Moi-moi, alale, alale. Sugar, sukari, sukari. Groundnut oil, man gyaɗa, man gyaɗa. Palm oil, manja, manja. Banana, ayaba, ayaba. Orange, lemu, lemu. Mango, mangwaro, mangwaro. Tomatoes, timatiri, timatiri. Date fruits, dabino, dabino. Watermelon, kankana, kankana. Pineapple, abarba, abarba. Pawpaw, gwanda, gwanda. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Na gode da kallo. And if you want to learn how to speak Hausa language fluently, I assure you that this is the best Hausa channel for you. Subscribe now. Bye, guys.